The India Innovation Growth Program is a successful program wherein we can easily demonstrate public-private partnership to establish the supremacy of the various stakeholders in the ecosystem for establishment and commercialization of the Indian technologies. We have to strengthen the India Innovation Growth Program to make sure that more and more of innovators and entrepreneurs are benefited by the program. Right now we are focusing only on 50 innovators, but there is a need to target more and more of innovators and entrepreneurs in all parts of the country. India Innovation Growth Program is a very important component of the ambitious Make in India program of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Right now, our Indian innovators have gone global also. Their strategies are being acknowledged worldwide, and some 105 Indian innovators have been recognized all over the world, which has fetched something like 1500 crores of revenue for India. We need to strengthen this activity at the national as well as at the international level in a far more judicious and dynamic manner. The India Innovation Growth Program has been supporting innovations which are coming out of the educational institutions as well as the startups activity, and also the public funded research and developmental programs in the country. I feel happy to note and thank the global major Lockheed Martin Corporation of USA, who has co-sponsored this initiative, and of course all others who have been supporting us, including our partners like FICCI, Indo-US Science and Technology Forum, Stanford Graduate School of Business, IC2 Institute at the University of Texas, TIE Silicon Valley, and the Gopio International. Each of these partners, they have played a very crucial and distinctive role in the successful implementation of this program over the years, and we expect them to come out with better modes of support in future also. We sincerely hope that the innovations from the India Innovation Growth Program, they not only benefit the people of India, but they also provide benefits to everyone across the globe.